Hello students, please subscribe the channel, drop a like, share and comment. This is exercise number 26 of the Progressive Monthly Magazine, July 2022 on the speed of 100 words per minute. Start. Honorable members, my government is working with utmost determination to ensure a safe and secure India. Due to the policies of the government in the defense sector, especially in defense production, the country is becoming increasingly self-reliant. Of all the approvals accorded for modernization of armed forces in the year 2020-21, 87% were from Make in India category. Similarly, in 2020-21, preference was accorded to Make in India category in 98% of equipment related contracts. Our armed forces have also issued a list of 209 military equipment which will not be purchased from abroad. A list of more than 2,800 defense equipment has also been issued by defense undertakings which will be manufactured domestically. A contract has been signed with Hindustan Aeronautics Limited for manufacture of 83 LCA Tejas fighter aircraft. The government has also taken important steps for reorganization of ordnance factories into 7 defense PSUs. Besides, the government is also committed to rapidly promote the private sector and startups in the defense sector. Our objective is that the products required by our forces should be developed in India and also manufactured in India. India has strengthened its standing in the rapidly evolving global environment through improvement in diplomatic relations. India chaired the United Nations Security Council in August 2021 and took several path breaking decisions. Under the presidency of India, for the first time, the Security Council held a comprehensive debate on the issue of maritime security. The Security Council, for the first time, adopted a presidential statement on this subject and did so unanimously. We have witnessed instability and volatility in our neighboring country, Afghanistan. In spite of the prevailing situation, true to the spirit of humanity, India launched Operation Devi Shakti. Despite the challenging conditions, we successfully airlifted a number of our citizens and many Afghan Hindu and Sikh minorities from Kabul. We also brought back two scripts of the Holy Guru Granth Sahib safely amidst difficult situations. From the humanitarian point of view, India is helping Afghanistan by delivering medical supplies and food grain. Climate change is a major challenge confronting the whole world at present. India has emerged as a responsible global voice on the subject. At the last summit, my government has announced that by 2030, India will reduce its carbon emission by 1 billion tons. Honorable members, my government considers it a responsibility to preserve, enrich, and empower India's ancient heritage. It is a matter of pride that the Harappan site of Dholavira and the 13th century Kakatiya temple in Telangana have been declared as UNESCO World Heritage Sites. After the Kumbh Mela of Prayagraj, Kolkata's iconic Durga Puja has also been included in UNESCO's Intangible Cultural Heritage list. It has also been a priority of the government that the priceless heritage of India should be brought back to the country. The idol of Ma Annapurna Devi, which was stolen from India 100 years ago, has been brought back and installed in the Kashi Vishwanath temple. Many such historical artifacts are being brought back to India from different countries. We are all aware that heritage and tourism are closely linked to each other. That is why, while India's spiritual heritage is being rejuvenated, modern facilities and infrastructure are also being developed for the pilgrims and tourists. Swadesh Darshan and Prasad scheme started by my government are playing a significant role in it. The Fort Ogada jail complex has also been renovated and inaugurated on the occasion of Goa's 60th Liberation Day. It is a memorial to the warriors of the unforgettable struggle to liberate Goa. Today, in the Amrit Kal of independence, our resolve of Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat is enabling us to write a new chapter of development on the basis of democratic values. Today, the country is making special efforts for the states and regions hitherto left neglected. The beginning of a new era of development in Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh region is a great example of this. My government has started a new central sector scheme for the industrial development of Jammu and Kashmir at a cost of about rupees 28,000 crore. Last year, new tunnel was opened to traffic. International flights between Srinagar and Sharjah have also started. Many important steps have also been taken to provide better opportunities for education, health, and employment to the people of Jammu and Kashmir. At present, works are in progress on 7 medical colleges and 2 AIMS, one in Jammu and another in Kashmir. Construction of IIT Jammu and IIM Jammu is also going on in full swing. The Sindhu Infrastructure Development Corporation has been set up to accelerate infrastructure and economic development in the Union Territory of Ladakh. Another chapter in this development journey of Ladakh is being added in the form of Sindhu Central University. My government is committed to sustainable development of all the states of the Northeast, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Manipur, etc.